Hello YouTube! Today I'm gonna be unboxing a order I just got from yesstyle where I bought skincare. So it's in a bag like I'm not gonna show you the bag because it says my address on it. Once you open the bag, there's a receipt that says everything I got. It comes in this box that honestly looks like Tupperware for food. And there's tape on it. It smells like glue. It's really bad. Not even glue, it just smells like that adhesive on tape. Like the whole thing, I opened it and just like tape smell came out. It's really bad. This is a moisturizer that I got. Pimple patches. And I got a face mask. And now last but not least, the sunblock. Do you hear the pops? We're gonna unbox every thing that I got. Yes, I broke the box. Don't complain. That's all I have for today.